Welcome back to my class today. City mamang the high to minor real number the field property sing in Naraga. Nasi corollary ka dirato ni haidana. Adi corollaries in the dirato to me. Corollaries is dirato to mamang. Let me tell you something. Nasi taka the topics. This is one of the most important topics in mathematics. Not only in number system. Number system kakinata vida. Mathematics ki na yam important of the topics in man the mo. Kaigino had an assist in the Kangadering. Kari Kangadeva. Y is negative into negative positive. Negative number and negative number going into the positive or Kaigino. 0 into any number. 0 Tarikaigino. Negative into positive. Negative or Kaigino. Already x plus 2 have a secret y plus 2. Y plus 2 have a smile like 2 cancel out over y kind of a when you were in 7, 8 and even in 9. The end the soon in a topoholapomatan yaw with a 2 to cotton over y is last she kind of implies that x equal to y kind of lehoba. They say twice x equal to 2y twice y ga higher c 2 to cotton x to y money kind of a high over yaba. Sigam case. Sila ising se. Sine main and sitaka. Sigis explanation the Hana Kangam season the Kadawita, highway proofs Hana Kandaruraba. Kanda me or me pare, yonder me or a pare, and see the block communita. Yanikwa, season the Kalubada, Hana Uno, the negative positive tarisica, proof like Nika is a Kalu of Sate Ranganida. I do my under combination. Me and 0 number into the 0 type, Kaito Bagi Kai Nang art as a handle even in explanation and proofs of feeding. As a student of mathematics, you need to be very reasonable and reasonable over the car way. And proofs in the Kangbataka or proofs in the longer Loraga, Edova, proofs in the Matumina, proof over me, highly gay quite haros of the handing. Even in the example of proof to Siraka and Canary Nathan, exam and tongue is a kind of proof over them, they should make the Kang have the exam and tongue never. I do hate me get it proof to me. So corollary kaino. What are corollaries? Masigi po si kaino corollary derived from the field properties of real number. So what are corollary? Corollaries are those provable statements, are those provable truths that are deduced very easily from another known truth, another known axiom or theorem. Kang of axiom manatraga kang of theorem amadagi masamatando automatically laksava. Inana ka hina to in a proof to with the car with the Masamatanda dum laksava proof car never statements car. Just like Uncle Wari Doko Mata Nangi theorem or Nangi axiom and Saksa was in a color. Kuna Saksa. Other Puktalatra, Puktala with the Masam automatically lactra are the corollary never. Puktali the corollary. Yanikwa. So can knowing a second number one, Ihan had the whole vision. They only have the cancellation law of addition. No, you see cancellation law of addition. They make saying a Kangoma and the corollary number 2, cancellation law of multiplication and line token. Man high sikano. If x, y, z belongs to real number, more of the real number the hour. And x plus z sina, y plus z sigamana. Altarika down here. Or look like him on the ENCK. And x plus y say x plus z manarava. Although you can cancel out this x and z over y equals z. Y is z manani x and z cancel out over here. Tana they don't talk draw. See is my man out and see to cancel another x and z cancels another. At the third little you know have a say we shall prove it. Prove the whole. X plus y is x plus z command is the other minus x and you 8,000. What side the minus x 8,000? Writing city no like take you don't personally young city no one the concept happening with the car. I give writing you have the delay minus x 8,000. Other I know the minus x 8,000 is the x is a C minus x is a negative, a positive, a inverse, a masama. Inverse, a masama with 0 time and light at the 0 time. So I hang the equation minus 6 initial to the tinge level. In an equation of real numbers, you just add minus x. Minus x is the tinjan baya job. Other tinjan baya is say anything is because minus x belongs to real number. Since x is the real number, therefore minus x is the real number. Minus x high the number say it exists. Like maram or minus x is a tinjan baya never. According to the real number, you are natural number, you are just I know minus x is in Yaramgadra, Yaramoy. Because in natural number, there is no minus Tatra. According to real number, you are real number marks x, Yaramina, Magi, additive inverse minus x to zoom, Masani of Jabum. Yauzer Nakokadora, Tinjan B. Next, the Kokadora. Minus x is a pull 0. Punta is 0 tag and never. 0 tires on the white, and how never. I do never couldn't pump it. See why you don't know was never. I do we hate the coin, I see any Cotan of Yaraba. No, Cotan of a way I call. Cotan of a have a portion here, Cotan of Cotan of Ginu. Minus x plus x, San Punjan below plus y. So the pullum with the son of Pule. Sipulakuya is a canal. Pula is in a Kayano. According to property synerga, proofs in the Tosi have an error. Property synerga, properties in the put the have a ponel. Anadi, ship Pula is a property the Palak Nabanel. Yada, other Pula is in the Canana Yalino, she's a property near Halineva. See a Halim property to Cana, so mine up putting open via property to Cana, associativity by associativity of Cana addition. Associativity of addition here. Adikadore x high of posida, x high of posida Kadore. Magi additive inverse minus x extinction by have say it will give you the additive identity that is 0. Sigi x masama sida magi additive inverse minus x extinction by body kadobra additive identity 0 tare kani ba adisi 0 tare plus y tare sikadare sisu 0 tare plus z tare ai mamang do pagodom le sida ni x real number yauraga minus x real number yaugani haise Sikara Karambo Patina La Pano have the share by existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse lay have a dog. Among it actually I'll give the x cover real number I'm living on the Magi minus x real number like any and that minus x will be the additive inverse and I give a dog. Adi property to Nico. So a C properties the minus x additive inverse ni have a select of naked or additive inverse ka x it will give you additive identity natra. Additive identity can have a properties by property of additive inverse. Inverse property never. Inverse number masam to in general 0 tarakani identity tarakani have a say additive inverse to be property never. So now again identity sida number amatinjan base number 2 tarakani additive identity da number amatinjan ba or number amada additive identity tinjan base number 2 mo adum tarakani ba and this is the property of kanagi property no identity property never by property of additive identity yagadra adu tadi kanala y ga z ka tare x plus y ga x plus z ka manei haiba matam da kadore y ga z ka manei haiba si tare ba haibati in other terms I call x and z cancel out chat ki bagum leba x and z cancel out chat ki ba kak thana gi ba dong na tawre ba so x and cancel out chat ki kak thana gre haiba se akoina toina sinai ba kak thana haiba po to madu yai haiba si proof tawri yagadra sida akoina kai property sinai yan the minus x tin jana bo hone minus x tin jana bo hone the minus x hari po real number martai leiba pot amani leiba number amani hai kana gi mating na existence of additive inverse ni mating na next kana tare ai koi associativity of addition ni matung ina koina tin jan minus x to hana de x ga sije sigi additive inverse gana moi masen punna bo hone yarba pulla akoina sida pulli bese kai gino additive inverse property je palaga 0 tara a haiba si yana bai da mata somje pula ineba ya ja pula is pulhun be isne kanana associativity of addition high property dana ya ne so then 0 0 0 y written jana the additive identity property na y da hore z da hore heaven सुमाइन तौर cancellation law of addition जे लाए cancellation law of addition जी का मल्टी next नोई corollary number 2 दले multiplication के जे काबक माने अमा खंग अमा दुम खंग केशुत के नदी yang ko ai sigi board sidam sadoro ke ko cancellation law of multiplication si board sidam tak 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 sadoro mana cancellation law of multiplication ai je kaino x y je se real number de yaw matam da kai do ba x into y siga koi x into z siga mana ra ba adu ta di koi x ani je cancel out chadi y ge je ka mana ni have ne ba si jo khoin to ni x x tak 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 thak ni have ne ba कथन रिसे कई कि नो प्रूफ ऑफ यू प्रूफ ऑफ सी हैव ने अदु कई दो बा और पछिदा x y की x का मान है क्या बा अको सिदने एक्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एडिटिव इनवर्स थी किता अको सिदे x से मान की दी के दौने मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स थी बिरोइदा अदना x रियल नंबर जावबनिना 1 by x will belong to real number कनाना by existence of multiplicative inverse यादा multiplicative inverse ले बने आदि सी स्टेप से मतलब लोग तो आई कोई भी x y ले रहे x z ले रहे multiplicative inverse 1 by x है सीने both side का multiply तो यार multiplying both sides by 1 by x अदु में थारम दे नहीं था बीरो नाउ के दौरे ना साइगी associativity of addition द सम द की सुमाइना कुंजल पदु माइना अदु के दौरे जी associativity of multiplication पाला से associativity of multiplication हमको क्या माना गया से वाला को मतलब क्या तरह 1 by x x on the bracket से पुन गया y ले हो रहे 1 by x x into x on bracket से पुन गया z ले हो रहे सी एक ऊपर कोई क्या दो या कोई वापस लोग देखे सी एक ऊपर x x से कथन निंद्रा पट पट निंद्रा कक पदों आई को सीधा जो कऊगी नूबा कक पे याई दो उतनी नेबा अकोई ने कई खंगे सिगी x सिगी multiplicative inverse and c1 by x है ये पोचा c1 by x this is a multiplicative inverse of x so multiplicative inverse की formula ने property ने क्या है c सीधा मागी multiplicative inverse into तो वजह it will give you multiplicative identity है वो दिखे by property of multiplicative inverse ने कई खंगे 1 by x into तो वजह 1 तानी y tani 1 tani z tani natra adudi 1 y siga 1 z siga so 1 1 they are multiplicative identity natra 1 hai bu sinje multiplicative identity ngata ne so property of multiplicative identity property na kai hai multiplicative identity or the 1 se into any number will give you that number only adi 1 into y se y tani 1 into z tani so this is from the property of multiplicative identity आपको लगता है x y जितनी x से जितनी y के जी का माने है हाई दिखे तो सी नहीं cancel out चल पड़ों ना तो रोक cancel out का जैसे पे खाते उतरे देखो just नुई देता कोई नहीं सी नहीं cancel out चल तो रोक पड़ों ना उड़े आता है कोई ना अतो पर प्रॉब्लम दा के दवा cancel out चल ले कथन ना वो ना हारी तो कहीं कहीं ना या बगी ने या हाई तो कहीं ना proof तो रही ने कोई या अगर सीमा या नहीं corollary number 1 corollary number 2 या मानना चली को and corollary number 3 लाक्सी corollary number 3 लाक्सी है तो वाली मिली सी corollary number 3 से सीमा कितन construction में संगनी वाखन में संगनी मासिक कई दो बगी यार इनो से ताहन ना बुखाना उदा कोई कितन साधु साजिन में संगनी कई गिनो तो गदे को corollary number 3 से it is one of the most powerful property that is property of zero it is also known as multiplicative property of zero or zero property of multiplication zero ही property zero जब हम हमारे जाने हती जाने हाई दिखे ना माँ हाई से x equal into 0 for any x belonging to real number see any x हमें 0 में multiply तो उसे 0 था है सीधा नहीं history ने chemistry ने multiplication ने mathematics ने खाना वालों तब में history ने हाई आज केमिस्ट्री ना हो रहा पता है खाना रखो जो केमिस्ट्री हो जाएगा नोई पुलब ऐसे तो लोग थादर थम निको हिस्ट्री ने आई अकबर के ये लान मिली सिंह मरी बंगा में आदो खोमचल लगे फुदा लदी है मैथमेटिक्स नौकी करेगा नोई की ऐसे तकी बीरबल की लान में अकबर की लान में आदो पुलब आइने सुमाने ब्रेकेली को लगे इंटू ने जीरो तो अधिको ना है मैं होगा ऐसे की तो So 0 is powerful point. So powerful theorem ni na kedora. We will need a bit of construction. Construction and ye can have a tico. Cook the saga from sang heaven. My proceeding. According to Honey Senior. Sitai have a say using the properties only. Properties in Sinaka. Atopa property na tavato Sina Davida. From the basic thing to take it over, see basic or the proportion, basic thing to the baby, same what you have. According to Kai 0 has a number, a manical number, much oil. 0 high numbers that additive identity is 0 no is a roach at the 0 high additive identity, 0 high number set in the mountain, seeking a second number, shouldn't touch it. And this is one of a number, the number, Nedo Wakanaka, seeing you can't think enough on the Panbiro. See a number, a simple number, jumps on a number, I don't see a additive identity in a Panbiro. So any number x plus additive identity will give you x hydra. Am I done? See the x to the canbiro, see the zeros in the canbiro, see the x to the canbiro. Yeah, Shikanana by property of additive identity. Yeah, the graph. Let us multiply both sides by x. X is real number. Yao given in Kadora. As it has I give some man have you have a little like didn't young have you like the Giam 11. I didn't know the concept happen. X is real number. We can multiply both sides by x. Multiplying both sides by distributive opans, distributive opament to x in 0 da tongan Khaidem pay distribution of multiplication over addition yavi ko x0 distributive lo sigi matunda kana la sigi handanda akoi sigi x0 jiga Corollary ama proof to already Hanan proof to corollary ama Musina Kenta Kabaleke Yagadra. Ado for cancellation law and they are the most basic corollaries. Cancellation law and Isina. Adi Matum 0 or is a lapani. Ado cancellation law and Isa Yana Maru and Mois in the basic way we can use them as and whenever we need. And look at the way. CX0 ziga CX0 ziga mamangi cancellation law na kay haigi x plus y ziga x plus z ka laiba matamda x and z cancel chat na ba yain haiba haidabra manaba ni yawon damda so sida manaba ma or cc hai ju khalo adum mamangda dikara cancellation law da mamangda laiba manaba ani ni kakana dra ana mamangda laiba ni kakana seba kakana jina har komna somje sina x ni sina y ni na khalo ngatang So you see the x near us, Z in a candy can be put on water. Well, I'll see Katana grammar to the silly over the Hodabra. Kayum Anija Katana silly over. So no can hold it. I do it at the CG Ziruga Mane is a higher the river. Kayuma in a CGga, see any Katana tile. Katana guitar see it and I hold it. So the can hold it. So x into 0 say 0 need in a high the river. Katana get over on the property Dika high, cancellation low and Dika high. Sumina like it on the high river. Adigi Sumina like the we CG port plus Z high post a what like a lady. So after the Zewa. Jumps among the Shomi can hold 0 in Hydra. I say the Yadi. 0 the half to even equal. Property machine. So I'm Jida plus 0 to 0. So where is know by property of again by property of additive identity is the kind of in the moment of the additive identity 0 is in the name of the much harder no problem. Now pay the rent. CG cancel out and can be added. Banana by cancellation law of multiplication at the Kanakatanga Hore. She and Isitanga Horaba. She is no by cancellation law of addition. Yeah, and equal x into 0 siga 0 money have a using the basic properties of real numbers, the field properties of real number. तालापा तालाबरा कोई सीधा एडिटिव जीरो द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी तीन बसे नसाई मसाई जीरो द ताजनी हायरे x in both sides multiply to कहीं ना x both sides multiply to इसे to get this left hand side द फंगी बे x into 0 जे फंग ना बनी तौरे distributive लो पाले हम तो है सो मिजु मसाई ले जाऊँ तो अन्य जे कक्थन अब याब जो नु उरे एक कक्थन अगी वो तंदे के तौरे सीगी सोंगी x into 0 जे ले हो रहे x into 0 जे ले हो रहा सोम दरी केम ले हो तब ना x into 0 equal to 0 जी मोंगी तार तो रे फंग अदो कोई प्रॉपर्टी सिने दो रिमने सोम दरी केम ले हो तभी थम बसे यार दोरी अदना 0 तो ऑप्शन भी रे ऑप्शन भी जाए है कनाना है हालिनो एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी की प्रॉपर्टी में हाले सो कैंसिलेशन लॉ ऑफ एडिशन सिना एनी जी कथन अग्रे लेम होरे एनी से तारे सो x into 0 anything into 0 0 ताई है बस की प्रूफ नहीं है ताई से प्रूफ लेकर दो नो कलम दा बट अगेन सिना प्रूफ से मैथमेटिकली कोई प्रॉपर्टी सिना अगर प्रूफ करो कोने अनदर टाइम द 0 into any number 0 ताई 0 into 6 से 0 ताई से कहीं नो literal meaning that you should multiplication means repetitive addition 0 से तरुक लग प्लस तो है बन 0 दुम तार होइदा 0 से तरुक लग प्लस तो है बन 0 दुम तार और ना 6 into 0 जे 0 तार सिने कहीं ना 6 से 6 into 1 है 6 अमरो प्लस तो है ने 6 है गलो है 6 into 2 दी 6 अनियर प्लस तो है ने 6 plus 6 त्यो तार 6 into 0 have the 6 plus and do gonna have never. Adusudum 0 tata whenever. Adunaka explanation 0 into something the 0 taiki, you know, habagi explanation. Sinakai 0 into something 0 taiki proof. Yagatra. Next we will come to why is negative into positive negative and why is negative into negative positive. Aniuta a had the basics of mathematical operation in basic ID equation follow mainly scenario operations in there. I think proof like hang I need another yard. Proof later what they tea and Canada. Proof later doing the coming up by Sweden or Canada. Things you go on. Number 4, corollary number 4 that I high. Positive into negative is always negative for any x, y belonging to real number. Real number they over any x, y is that. Amani x in a positive in a color, y is in a negative in a color, but over any into the product, the answer will be negative only. My literal meaning. Other open and must prove the we will use. We will prove in terms of inverse. Inverse means why they prove the open. Minus xy high see whole number set full of set. The same must xy high number city additive inverse data. Xy have simply x into y have a number to be minus xy is an additive inverse data. Right, for any x, there is minus x belongs to real number such that x plus minus x is additive identity, and this minus x is called the additive inverse of x and high here. Yeah, the additive inverse mean high here. Adonati, I consider x y c minus x y is additive inverse of the Adonati in high capacity. I know home equals x into minus y, c to x y c. Additive inverse D na koi na putopang ng meron. Kalo, sige po siya, si pulap siya, x, y, sige, additive inverse ni na putopang ng dahil magi additive inverse o siya minus x, y, sige, ani is equal o ay halit sumamo ito. At rin natin, at na koi himian ko siya kayo, si x into minus y siya, x, y, additive inverse ni halit siya natin. Proofs na yun. Kaya ko ba kayo sige halit. X into minus y siya. Sila ko ni x, y, yatin siya ba 0 taro. Finding aside x is the minus x in the 0 taba minus x x ki additive inverse ni, and this x is again vice versa ko x is minus x ki additive inverse ni ona tenena amai to dana sigi pot sida x y se tin janma matam 0 tarakta di sigi x into minus y se x y sigi additive inverse ni have ya roita, and then further माजे minus x y माने है क्या रहता है अन सी पोचे 0 ताई है बचे कोना तो नहीं ताहन ना कोना तो नहीं siêu mà sẽ construction coi buộc ta đang khăn rồi buộc ta kita phải đâu đi buộc ta kita zero ta na bukan zero ta ina proof to gina ti ko zero ta na bukan tin kai daw iyan han bata ai ko x se common lo to pe ai se kana na no distributive lo na common lo to pe ai ha ba se ko by distribution of addition over distribution of multiplication over addition have the distributive law na sinala minus y se y gi additive inverse over oidabra chidi tana bai gi mathau ta tra minus y is the additive inverse of y noina sida aduna sida 0 ta sida ina 0 ta is minus ka plus ka tension raga hita 0 ta hai bai potu gi na te ko minus y se y gi additive inverse ni aduna minus y ga tension na bu matam da 0 ta hai di additive identity ta ina la ka ne ba che ai ka thana re na hai ba na te ba ai ka thana bai y na te ba ko ka thana ga no hai pe kha da so wa khan da so ka thana ga no ka thana bai ai bu di khangja ju sida di ka thana ba hai tri ba ni chi ta topic si ka thana ba hai tri na re 0 ta is kai gi minus y is the additive inverse of y and hence additive inverse plus the number itself will give you additive identity 0 is 0 in khalo additive identity na pa bi so second I property now by property of additive inverse property na now cd 0 tan kai gi since x into 0 is 0 by corollary 3 matungina ya ba atari ai siga tinjana mo tan 0 ta le therefore x into minus y is additive inverse of xy xy is additive inverse ta x minus y sina but atubu ka dawa minus xy is additive inverse of xy akoi cd problem today x into minus y is xy additive inverse ni ta jare tawi chu additive inverse ki definition ni matung ina di ko na kai khangya cd xy hai ba cd xy cd additive inverse minus xy ni le jare adare ani mak se xy ki additive inverse ora boi ji ba ada ko ani mak se manai hai na tro ma da ra man that means logical positive into negative gives a negative solution yeah now using this CG process scenario haraga we will prove that negative into negative is positive and that will be the last topic for today ai video se yeng na lai pa ga yeng adi amke na kana ga ni na khanjai nakan da lai ma thamme haraga lai to hang to ga ina chali si ka yeng mina ba ina ngang si tara ga lai to so adi yang hena kana ga ni ko so yening ba board chu yening ba ga na put to ga lai ba number 5 if xy belongs to real number then minus x into minus y itani xy negative ani into to no matamda positive ta kani have we will prove this solely using corollary number 4 corollary number 4 na kan ha petang ia tham mau ta na ba corollary number 4 na say x into maning amang ni positive maning si negative or ta pull up se negative or ai ha asing mong je ta maga asigi form si dai ye na ko khot pa ho ni ko yo yeah minus x into minus y minus x into minus y se minus x ma ngatan khangi minus x se minus se ngatan ka ya ba si si man number amani si pull up se number amani khalo minus y se minus y si mong se khalo ate ka minus pe x me x ne khangu ko hadi minus x se x plus ne khalo minus x adum thambi minus y mo tai ke daw ya y an thamaga minus ma man chung khala tra ma man chung khala san thambi be ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯅꯣ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ corollary 4 ꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ or by 시즌은 야들아 나 마이너스 3모 꼭 기당 다다지 y into minus x 정도 아니 마망은 또 시 까나니 야이노샤 by commutativity 는 그냥 뭐 탕가 언토파 야인 하이버니까 commutativity of multiplication next 그 야이 minus थमकांदा सिगी y सिने x ने लबिरो सिगी minus x प्लस सिने minus y सिने लबिरो अरे सादो के आता minus x y तारता अदि y तारे x तारे cr x minus x मान थांगा पिदे याबा चिचके by असिने अदि कदोरे से minus of minus x y थाना by commutativity of multiplication adum y x x y thadokon kitang nuai na bani ko sidi kem khalu no adi siriyo minus x y c minus u jinga minus x y means additive inverse of x y ge additive inverse ha ne si machi sina ha badi ya ba again additive inverse amuka ha re minus sina that means masagi x y je mu hale or in other terms akoina kai ha gi x plus minus x is 0 तारको मतंदा सिगी minus x is the additive inverse of x minus x is x की additive inverse ni and x is the additive inverse of minus x is की additive inverse ना मु x तारनी है but definition दे की यंग को मतंदा दी minus x की additive inverse है बतारी minus x की मामांदा minus हाफ पतने बा नत्रा अदुदी सिगी पोचिदी का नांतागी x ने नुं तादरा अमाइ तो दना minus x y जी की additive inverse है बदी का नादुं ताजरे x y दुं ताजरा अनि since additive inverse of minus x y is x y सिदा अनांग खरने का दावे minus minus plus x ता अदुना x y नि minus minus ती plus तारे काना गले plus ता अबे वारी देगी नते को additive inverse की वारी देगी नि so सुमाइन तो corollary number 5 से तोरगा लोशन से ngasi की topic से आइने corollary number 6 ताक थी कई किना corollary number 6 से अदु खाना लुबा corollary ओइदे x into y से 0 ताबा तारदी either x से 0 तागनी or y से 0 तागनी कईगुम x से 0 ताद्रबा then y से 0 तागनी y से 0 ताद्रबा then x से 0 तागनी हेबनी see corollary number 2 सी नगेबा existence of multiplicative inverse adagidi existence of multiplicative inverse adagidi corollary number 3 ge x into 0 equals 0 adagi associativity adagi multiplicative identity ki property moi myando pale haraga tawtini masima nasana try tawjaro masima noina khangna bo hona jaro if khangde tapiu hasu I'll keep it for the problem solving part. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. The next video will be of absolute value.